Did you know that 90% of car owners are essentially throwing money into a black hole at the detail shop? We're talking thousands of dollars a year for services you could perform in your own driveway with items already sitting under your kitchen sink. Detailers and mechanics have a vested interest in keeping you in the dark. They want you to believe that professional grade means impossible for a DIYer. But today, the curtain comes down. I'm exposing 10 high-value car cleaning hacks that will save you serious cash and keep your car in showroom condition. One of these tricks alone could save you a $3,000 repair bill. Don't skip a second, because the automotive industry relies on your ignorance, and we're about to change that. Hack number 10, the floor mat revival. Your floor mats are the unsung heroes of your interior. They catch the salt, the mud, the spilled coffee, and the winter slush. Most people wait until they look like a desert wasteland and then go out and spend $150 on a new set. Stop. Pull those mats out and rinse them. Here's the pro secret. Spray them with a simple mixture of dish soap and water. Use a stiff brush to agitate that grime. After you rinse and let them dry in the sun, here's the real kicker. Apply a thin layer of tire shine or rubber protectant. It restores that deep factory black color and creates a UV barrier that prevents the rubber from cracking. You just turned a $150 replacement into a $2 cleaning job. Hack number 9, shaving cream mirror defogger. We've all been there. A rainy Tuesday morning, you're merging onto the highway, and your side mirrors are a foggy, useless mess. It's a massive safety hazard. You could buy those expensive anti-fog wipes that last 3 days, or you can use what's in your medicine cabinet. Grab a can of foam shaving cream. Not the gel, it has to be the foam. Spread it over the mirror, let it sit for 2 minutes, and buff it off with a dry microfiber cloth. The shaving cream leaves an invisible, hydrophobic film that prevents moisture from clinging to the glass. Water will beat up and fly off, and fog won't stand a chance. Mechanics charge $50 for visibility treatments. You just did it for pennies. Hack number 8, hair conditioner tire shine. Professional tire shine is a racket. Half of them are oil-based goop that slings black streaks all over your freshly washed paint the second you drive over 20 miles per hour. Instead, head to the shower. Hair conditioner is designed to moisturize and add shine to organic fibers, and it works miracles on rubber. Rub a small amount into your sidewalls with a cloth. It penetrates the rubber, restoring flexibility and that new car satin finish without the greasy mess. If you find conditioner with UV protection, you're effectively doubling the life of your tires by preventing sidewall dry rot. It's a 16,000% markup at the detail shop or a free squirt from your bathroom. Your choice. Hack number 7, the baby wipe steering wheel miracle. Your steering wheel is probably the most contaminated surface in your life. It's a biohazard hand oil, sweat, and food residue that builds up into a sticky gray film. Don't use harsh chemicals that can strip the dye out of leather or melt plastic. Use baby wipes. They are formulated to be gentle enough for a newborn skin but contain mild surfactants that are perfect for breaking down human oils. Scrub that wheel and watch the wipe turn black. In under 3 minutes, you will go from disgusting back to that matte, grippy showroom feel. Detailers charge $30 for an interior touchpoint sanitization. You're doing it for a dime. Hack number 6, rubber glove pet hair removal. If you have a dog, you know that vacuuming is a lie. Pet hair doesn't just sit on the carpet. It weaves itself into the fibers like a permanent fabric. You can spend an hour with a vacuum and still have a hairy car. Here is a Pro-Groomer secret. Put on a pair of regular rubber dishwashing gloves. Run your hand across the seats in quick, short strokes. The rubber creates static electricity and friction that yanks the hair out of the weave and clumps it into easy-to-grab rolls. It's so effective it feels like magic. You can defer an entire SUV in 5 minutes, whereas a detailer would charge you a $75 pet hair surcharge for the exact same result. Hack number 5, silicone spray door seal saver. Listen to your car when you open the door. Does it squeak? Do the doors feel stuck in the morning? Those are your rubber seals drying out. Once they crack, you're looking at water leaks, wind noise, and mold. A repair that easily costs $500 to $800 to replace all the seals. Take a can of silicone spray and wipe it onto every rubber seal on the doors, trunk, and hood. Silicone keeps the rubber pliable and creates a watertight barrier. Do this twice a year, and your seals will literally outlast the engine. Mechanics won't tell you this because they'd rather sell you the $600 replacement down the line. Prevent the rot for the cost of a $5 can. Hack number 4. The compressed air dent popper. Small door dings, the bane of a car owner's existence. A paintless dent removal PDR Pro will charge you $200 per ding. But for shallow dents, physics is on your side. Heat the dented area with a hairdryer for about 3 minutes until the metal is hot. Then, take a can of compressed air, the stuff for keyboards, hold it upside down and spray the center of the dent. The liquid CO2 is freezing cold. The rapid expansion from the heat followed by the instant contraction from the cold creates enough structural tension to pop the metal back into its original shape. It won't fix a creased fender, but for shopping cart dings, it's a 5-minute miracle that saves you hundreds. Hack number 3. WD-40 Undercarriage Protector. If you live in the salt belt, your car is slowly dissolving from the bottom up. Road salt is the silent killer of frames and brake lines. Dealerships sell undercoating packages for $600, which are often just stick goop that actually traps moisture against the metal. Instead, use WD-40. It stands for Water Displacement 40th Formula. Spray it on your frame, suspension hangers, and exposed metal. It creates a thin, moisture-repelling film that prevents salt from eating the steel. It's the single best way to prevent structural rust. A $5 can twice a year can literally be the difference between a car that lasts 20 years and one that ends up in a junkyard in 7. Hack number 2 and number 1. The final touches. Hack number 2 is all about air quality. Don't buy those cardboard trees that smell like chemicals. When you change your cabin air filter, which you should do yourself for $15, put 3 drops of essential oil, like peppermint or eucalyptus, directly onto the filter. It naturally freshens the air every time you turn on the AC without the toxic overhead. And finally, hack number 1. The vinegar windshield streak killer. Stop using blue glass cleaners. They often contain ammonia that can damage window tint. Mix 50% white vinegar and 50% water. Spray it on, and this is the secret. Wipe it with crumpled newspaper. The acidity of the vinegar cuts the oily haze from the road, and the ink and texture of the newspaper provide a lint-free, streak-free finish that cloth simply can't match. You don't need a massive budget to have a pristine car. You just need to know the physics and chemistry that the pros use. If these 10 hacks just save you a few $100s, hit that like button.